Are you ready to fly? Then let's get started. Today's tutorial is really exciting. We're going to build the stabilizers for the tail, and they're going to look so amazing.
Remember that symmetric airfoil we were downloading in video 5? We're going to use several copies of it again here, so let's import that and convert it to a mesh.
Now we can use the tricks we learned in tutorial 1 to turn this into a solid mesh that matches the blueprints. Now that the vertical stabilizer is in the right place, use Ctrl A to reset all transforms. You'll see why this is important later. Once the stabilizer is the right shape, let's slice and dice. Now that wasn't too painful, was it?
Now we just select the faces for the rudder and trim tab and cut those into separate objects.
The new surfaces are perfect, but now we need to make them solid by adding faces. If you didn't apply all transforms, you're going to regret it. That looks great. Now let's do the same for the rudder. The shape's a little more complicated, so take your time. Watch the screencast keys in slow motion if you get lost.
Now for the moment we've been waiting for. Rudder and trim tab in one corner, vertical stabilizer in the other.
I know we've been building up to this since we applied transforms. All you have to do is select the objects and hit ALTG. Now let's get started on the horizontal stabilizer. The process is almost exactly the same, except we have an airfoil shape in the middle. Let's build that using the airfoil we saved earlier. Since we extruded this piece, we need to know if the faces are pointing out. If we turn on the normal whiskers, we should see them all facing out. If not, let's recalculate them.
As I said before, the horizontal stabilizer is made with exactly the same steps. Good luck, and be sure to fumble a little so I can show you the easy way to correct for mistakes.
If you made your elevator surface solid, but aren't happy with the shape of everything, just join it back with the stabilizer and adjust 2 edge loops at a time. Once you're happy with the shape of everything, hover your mouse over the Trim tab in Face Selection and press the L key. Then you can make it a new object with the P. Your tail section should look like this with basic textures. I hope to see you again soon.
I'm Mia AI. I'll see you next time. Please like and subscribe for more of my Blender 5 tutorials.